Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The day one and today our plan is to drive directly to Manali, no stopping in between. And we were planning to drop the entire plan, but somehow we managed. Now yesterday we had great food, near one dhaba, and like the places to eat here in Chandigarh is amazing. So I don't know, but I think proper North Indian you can find it here. So this was the entire story. I'll also attach some clips that I have taken how our journey was. We didn't totally cancel the Amritsar plan because I really wanted to go to Golden Temple because I've never been there. Manali I've been like 3 times, but I've not been to Amritsar. So I really wanted to go. So what we're thinking, we'll cover Manali in 2 days, like everything. Apart from that, we'll return and then we'll take a stay in Amritsar. So I think that's a good plan, for a short journey. So that is the overall thing. Also story time, guys. So as I told you all, we took a bus. Don't tell anybody or else we'll be sued. Actually, we had no option. People who were with us in the bus, they're all Indigo passengers because everyone's flight had cancelled out. So everyone sitting there was going to travel via Indigo and everyone's flight was cancelled. चंडीगढ़ पहुंचने में बस अब हमारे पास 2 घंटा है और सबको भूख लगा था. So we are here at Resham Dhaba. It's a very nice restaurant. To Manali. So tonight we have a stay. So that's it. Hey guys, welcome back. And हम जा रहे हैं breakfast के लिए. I'm vlogging with the camera, so the quality may differ. And yeah, that's it. How are you feeling?
Nice. Finally on the WhatsApp group, guys.
That's crazy. Which clothes? And इसका makeup देखो guys, कितना makeup किया है. And that's why we got late. We are supposed to do our breakfast at 7. So our breakfast is ready. We have char, we have paratha. She's coming. We have idli. And we have Shiva's plate here.
Yeah, I'm trying to take everything so I don't have to get up.
And we have jave. This is Varnika's favorite. Then we have porridge here. It reminds me of Reliance. Karsham, Reliance Residential.
ਮੋਸ਼ ਗੁੰਡੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵਿਆਹ ਸ਼ਾਦੀ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ ਫੇਰ ਰੱਖੀ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੈਕਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਜੈਲ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਫੇਰ ਗੁੰਡੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਫਿਰ ਕੱਪੜਾ ਮੰਨ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਠੰਡ ਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਸਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਿਮਕੋ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਆਂਦੀ ਆ ਨਾਲ ਲਈ ਫਿਕਸੋ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਉਹ ਲਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ
Blush marker.
No. Only one line you spoke with.
No. I know. भैया मैं ऐसे बात करूँगा एक बार ये लोग मजाक बना रहे हैं.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਰ ਬੜੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ
वही तो ये लोग मुझे पीछे भेज दिया बताओ.
जब तुम नजदीक में
आपको चाहिए आगे जाना
बैठी थी, हाँ तब तो बात नहीं किया गया तुमसे. What? ਤੁਸੀਂ घर पे सिर्फ पराठा खाता है like that?
पराठा नहीं, परांठे खाते हैं।
परांठे।
या जो लोग अभी अकेली पगड़ी रखते हैं वो लोग अंडा मीट शराबी भी खाते हैं। जिन्होंने साथ में अमृत छका हुआ है, श्री साहब जिसे कहते हैं, जहाँ न्यांग सिंह बोलते हैं ना, वो नहीं खाते। वो कुछ भी लाइफ टाइम हेयर भी कट नहीं कराते। और उनके साथ 5 चीजें कंपलसरी होनी चाहिए लाइफ टाइम। एक होता है हेयर, उसमें कोम्ब रहता है। फिर उसके बाद रहता है कड़ा, रहता है जो ये वाला। एक श्री साहब रहता है, छोटी सी तलवार होती है ना साथ में, वो रहती है। और एक अंडरगारमेंट रहता है। अगर वो चेंज करेंगे, एक साइड से उतारेंगे, दूसरी साइड से पहनेंगे, वो प्रॉपर न्यांग सिंह जो रहते हैं। नहीं है, काफी पहले कम थे लेकिन बहुत है। ये आ गया पंडो डैम। किधर है डैम? पंडो।
Like everything is snow in the mountains, no? Like कुछ आपने यार जो मन है वो करो, ऐसा भी नहीं है। I know that the village life of Manali and so peaceful. Like you have the water bodies. Whenever you want to cook, take the water from the flowing river. By at some restaurant to drink tea, and they have attached all the celebrity and influencers that have come here. So I know this girl, an influencer, she posts good videos, and likewise you see they put all good thing about the restaurant. They also have this currency that they have collected. And this was shocking. What is this? They're also stuck up with Ayushman Khurrana and everything. रुके हैं ऑरेंज जूस पीने, my favorite. And as you guys know, यहाँ पे basically farming होती है of oranges. And so this is the orange. It's quite cute, no? Cute. Smells also so good, and so I don't know, like it's written here, it's totally organic. So they haven't used any pesticides or harmful chemicals in it, so it's naturally grown and it's quite cute. Amazing. But जो भी बोलो guys, orange juice is one mandatory thing. And last time when we had gone Manali, me, Shiva and few other friends, you won't believe, after every meal, not even if not having a meal, orange juice was one mandatory thing. I love orange juice. So I don't know, many people say it's just sugar and think, bro, if you're not having sugar, the natural fruit does major things. So if they're like, nahi, ye to pura sugar hai, you're just taking out the juice and drinking it, it's fine. You're not taking the refined sugar. That's an important factor. So 1-2 glass is good to go, not a harmful thing from my end. Like I say, this is if you're veg out there and if you don't carry this, you're bad. So I think this is a must carry. Wait, I'm going to show you all the packet. It's this max protein. It's good. And also, yeah, now Raghu will come to me because he's shy, and now he'll feel good, he'll smile and tell you guys hi. Raghav ne kiya hai party. He's so happy, guys. Just hota hai na, like relief. Before he was like sust and it was very the wifey party. तब आ गए हैं मेरे पास. And he is Don't mind my hair. I don't know. They just cut it so badly. I don't like it. And Raghav, chale something. Hi, bolo hi. Hi.
जैसे ये माइक जरूर आता होगा।
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, स्ट्रगल इज रियल, बट ऐसी मम्मी है जो कहीं पे भी स्ट्रगल को स्ट्रगल नहीं होने देती है। तो क्विक अपडेट, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं ऑलमोस्ट हाफ वे नाउ। इट्स ओनली 2 hours I guess, 1.5 hour and we'll be there in Manali. So yeah, people are not sleeping except for Raghav. Everybody's enjoying the trip because the view